So TuffMesh started a long time ago when we first had our poly product. When we were using the poly product for which we now call gutter mesh poly. There's a number of instances where we needed something stronger. So we started developing just stronger products that needed also had to have an aperture that still allowed the water to go through. And it still had to be very flexible so that we could get it underneath tiles and wrap around, corrugations and what have you. And that, it came that we went from a 660 grams per square metre product up to 1,000 grams per square metre, which is a lot heavier, thicker. And then as it flowed, we went to with all our range of products that we knew that we were needing for different applications. We just pretty much did the same thing for everything. So just made them stronger, just made sure that they were still going to allow water to go through. And one of our biggest sellers is our TuffMesh aluminium, which is a lot stronger. It's just a really robust aluminium. Great, when you're spanning wider areas. Great on tile roofs. It sits really flat. A really strong product, and the widest range of product colours that you can get. And I can say that you would match that to any roof, anywhere, any type of roof. Great product, our TuffMesh aluminium. And then we developed, which took a hell of a long time to develop our TuffMesh ember. This is a panel. It comes in a panel. It can't be rolled up like all the other products. It's a panel for a reason, because it is made out of a very strong aluminium. It's created with a one-way direction, including the trough, which we've added so that we ensure that the water goes through. There are circumstances if we don't get this in the right, it's not installed correctly, or it's installed on the wrong type of application. There is some chance of the 1.6mm holes with the water flowing over the top, but we recognise most of those when we go out and look at jobs, and the installation team goes and has a look at jobs. The one thing we want to do is create issues beyond any issues that are already there. So the TuffMesh ember, best product you can buy, has a great lifespan. We expect, with a 25-year warranty, we'd expect that there's not much more that you would need to do with that.